Good afternoon, Tom Telesmanic from Saquatucket Harbor. It is Wednesday, November 25th, the day before Thanksgiving, on a drizzly day. The picture you see here are some big riffraff that came out of the water from the bottom of the ramp. Let's pan to the right, and you're looking at the ramp ready for concrete. Pumps are working, you probably could hear them. And the boys are taking a break for Thanksgiving, but they'll be back on Monday. Let's get a closer look. Here's a shot of some of the rebar they'll be using when they strengthen the bottom of the ramp and pour the concrete. We're panning around to the ramp. Work my way over there. And lo and behold, bottom of the ramp. We'll swing around to see how high that water is. Looks like about 10 or 12 feet. Into the pumps that are working on that wall. The problem they've been having a small leak similar to that one right there. You can see there's a constant water flow, but they've got it pretty well plugged up right now. So we'll resume on Monday and watch the cement trucks work. And that's it for now. From a drizzly Saquatucket Harbor, November 25th, 09.